Other distinguished guests here, Assalamu alaikum. All men of gratitude goes to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for his endless bounties and blessings for sparing our lives to see this day. I can never find enough words to express my profound gratitude to my boss, my political raider, President Obasanjo, for all he's done to me and continues doing. Evidence of his love, trust, and confidence in me is clearly manifest in the inspiring foreword he wrote for this book and his physical presence at the lunch today. Baba, I sincerely and profoundly thank you. May God Almighty endow and bless you with abundant health, wisdom, joy, and well-being. I'm grateful to General Abubakar for so many reasons. Though not here physically, he has been a source of pride to me and many Nigerians for his professional truthfulness and service to our nation. His words is always his bond. Besides, Nnamdi has never turned down my request on any matter. His instantaneous acceptance to serve as chairman of today's occasion is a veritable testament to my assertion of the generous appreciation of my worth in his eyes. Unfortunately, he is held up in London. He appointed a worthy representative in the name of Professor Jega, a distinguished public servant and scholar who did a superb job as chairman of the occasion. I don't have to thank my friend, or are you my servant, the Munchiman who reviewed the book, Professor Ayu. Dr. Ayu, I don't my head for you for the comradeship and all the trials and tribulations we both shared these years. Being true to myself could never seen the light of the day, but for the patience, resilience, tenacity, and remarkable tolerance of the able and terrible team who sometimes have to live up with my continuous restless and agitated disposition of moving or replacing this aspect of the book's narrative or that which I felt was more appropriate. Professor Noman Habib, Samaila, and Musa Habib, I thank you very much. On said note, our friend and leader of this particular team, Professor Wakili, died before the book is completed. May his soul rest in peace. The powerful organizing committee, comprising a very versatile, dynamic, knowledgeable, and untiring and dedicated persons, has done a wonderful job. They've been very assiduous for several months, which has resulted in the resounding success we have all witnessed here today. The media subcommittee have been apt in steering such a nationwide buzz, which seems to have tickled many compatriots and made them eager to read for themselves what being true to myself could entail. My gratitude to your excellencies, your highnesses, and other brothers and sisters together here for finding time to be here with me. Before I end my remarks, I would like to appeal to the President, President Tinubu, to close the chapter of June 12th. In his book, General Babangida revealed that Abiola won the election. He said that. When I went to him, he said that Abiola, the election was killed because Abiola was being owed 45 billion naira. And therefore, he became the president, was going to pay himself the money. So it means Abiola is being doubly punished. He denies his own presidency and also his own money. So please, tell the president, please let him pay to Abiola family the money for which he has been suffering, for which he has been denied his own presidency, 45 billion naira. It's very, very important. When this money is paid, that will be closed. I thank you very much.